Okay, good day to all. Yes, Mike, want to teka lang yung monitor ko. Let's continue our review for the Master Plumber board exam. Our topic for today is about session 4, sanitation, plumbing, design, and installation. It is part 2, no? 40% weight sa board exam. Okay, before we proceed, no, for engineering, design, and consultancy, yan, okay. You can contact us here, no? brice.academy.consultancy@gmail.com, 0932-800-1219, www.brice.webtools.site. Okay, please subscribe to MCGI channel, UNTB News and Rescue, and Green Friend Forever. Hindi ko nalagay yung website niya. Pero Green Friend Forever, tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Okay? Tuloy natin, 151. What is the water that diminishes the capacity of water to form the latter with soup? A. Bacteria. B. Suspended materials. C. Mineral that makes water hard. And D. Presence of sodium ions. C. The answer is C. Mineral that makes water hard. What is the water that diminish the capacity of water to form latter with soap? The answer is C. Mineral that makes water hard. 152. Saddle clamp is a pipe fitting which is not used when water service is to be interconnected to the type of water main. A. Centrifugal cast iron pipe. B. Asbestos cement pipe. C. Galvanized iron pipe. D. PVC pipe. The answer is A. Asbestos cement pipe. Saddle clamp is a pipe fitting which is not used when water service is to be interconnected to the type of water main. The answer is asbestos cement pipe. 153. Flowing stream of water has the tendency to purify itself. Its term is not applicable in the purification. A. Sedimentation. B. Infiltration. C. Dilution. D. Aeration. Answer is C. Dilution. 154. Ulitin na pala. 53. Flowing stream of water has the tendency to purify itself, which term is not applicable in the purification. The answer is dilution. 154. How far should a septic tank be constructed away from the water supply source to prevent contamination? A. 2.3, 20.3 meters. B. 10.5 meters. C. 7.1 meters. And D. 15.2 meters. The answer is D. 15.2 meters. Septic tank to be constructed away from a water source to prevent contamination is, ayan, ang ano nila, 15.2 meters, no? 15.2 meters should a septic tank away from the water supply source to prevent contamination. 155. What is the chief factor in clarification of still water since particles of solid materials will settle more readily in still than flowing water? A. Infiltration. B. Sedimentation. C. Dilution. D. Aeration. The answer is sedimentation. What is the chief factor in clarification of still water since particles of solid materials will settle more readily in still than flowing water? Answer is sedimentation. 156. What is the chip? Ay, bakit ganun? Parehas. Sorry, nadoble ko yung 155 saka 156. Ano kaya ito? Sige, 157. Soil branch piping installed. Ay, hindi. Baka merong iba pa yan. Parehas talaga. 157. The soil branch piping installed in horizontal run must be supported by iron hanger. The closest interval to prevent sagging. What's the distance apart the hangers? A, 1.5, B, 3 meters, C, 2.3 meters, D, 0.8. Answer is 1.5 meters. The soil branch piping installed in horizontal run must be supported by iron hanger. Closest interval to prevent sagging. What is the distance apart? No? The distance is 1.5 meters apart the hangers. 158. Before water from any source will be adopted for domestic supply, what kind of examination will it be subjected to? A, infiltration and sedimentation. B, aeration and bacteriological. C, dilution and chemical. C, chemical and bacteriological. The answer is B, aeration and bacteriological. Before water from any source will be adopted for domestic water supply, it will be subjected to aeration and bacteriological kind of examination. 159. Which method that's not commonly used for bringing water from its source to the customer? A, gravity system. B, distributing system, reservoir system. C, domestic water softener system. And D, water pressure system. The answer is C, direct pressure system. Yan. Which method that is not commonly used for bringing water from its source to the customer? The answer is direct pressure system. 160. A well that penetrates the earth to depths of not more than 100 feet. A, flowing well. B, shallow well. C, deep well. D, artesian well. Answer is C, deep well. 161. To reduce the excessive pressure that produces a hammering sound, how long a pipe should be added and installed on the top of riser of the highest fixture level to absorb air pressure? A, 0.3 to 0.9 meter. B, 0.4 to 1 meter. C, 1.5 to 1 to 1.5 meter. D, 0.6 to 1.2 meter. Answer is A, 0.3 to 0.9 meter. To reduce the excessive pressure that produces a hammering sound, how long a pipe? Yan, 0.3 to 0.9 meter long. A pipe should be added and installed on the top of riser of the highest fixture level to absorb air pressure, 0.3 to 0.9 meters. 162. What is the minimum horizontal distance required between vent terminal and window opening of a building? A, 1.5 meter. B, 3 meters. C, 1 meter. D, 0.5 meter. The answer is B, 3 meters. What is the minimum horizontal distance required between vent terminal and window opening of a building? Answer is 3 meters. 163. What should be the minimum clearance that should be made with respect to the floor line to allow convenient opening or closing of a clean out? A, 100 millimeter, B, 200 millimeter, C, 50 millimeter, D, 300 millimeter. Answer is D, 300 millimeter. What should be the minimum clearance that should be made with respect to the floor line to allow convenient opening or closing of a clean out? The answer is 300 millimeter. 164. A well that passes through one or more source of impervious strata and penetrates a water-bearing stratum in which water is held under pressure and water rises in the well. A, flowing well. B, shallow well. C, deep well. D, artesian well. Answer is B, shallow well. A well that passes through one or more source impervious strata and penetrates a water-bearing stratum in which water is held under pressure and water rises in the well. Answer is shallow well. 165. What is the size of relief bend on a circuit vented soil branch insulation of plumbing fixtures? A, 1/2 times the diameter of the soil pipe. B, equal diameter of the soil pipe. C, 1.5 times the diameter of the soil. D, 1/4 times the diameter of the soil. Soil pipe to. The answer is 1/2 times the diameter of the pipe. What is the size of relief bend on a circuit vented soil branch installation of plumbing fixtures? The answer is 1/2 times the diameter of the soil pipe. 166. What is the size of the yoke or bypass bent for a high-rise building? The answer is equal size of the main bent. Pindot ko na. What is the size of the yoke or bypass bent or for bent for a high-rise building? The answer is equal size of the main bent. What is the size of the yoke or bypass bent for a high-rise building? The answer is equal size of the main bent. 167. Why do you call the undesirable type of vegetation formed when a water reservoir is exposed to light? A, septic tank scum. B, sledge. B, pond scum. D, flowy. Answer is C, pond scum. What do you call flowy is the undesirable type of vegetation formed when a water reservoir is exposed to light. Pond scum. Pond scum pala yun, sorry. Pond scum is the undesirable type of vegetation from when water reservoir is exposed to light. 168. The top of the well is lower than the high position of the previous stratum from which the water is obtained, and water will rise through the entire length of the well and wave flow from the wall without pumping. Parang tinanong na to kanina. No? Related to kanina sa tanong. A, flowing well. B, shallow well. C, deep well. D, artesian well. The answer is D, artesian well. The top of the well is lower the high position of the previous stratum from which the water is obtained, and water will rise through the entire length of the well and wave flow from the wall without pumping. The answer is artesian well. 169, which does not apply in the removal of suspended materials and color in the water supply. A. Sedimentation. B. Coagulation. C. Filtration. D. Chlorinization. The answer is chlorination. Chlorination does not apply in the removal of suspended materials and color in the water supply. The answer is chlorination. 170, pipe or shaft which is used to remove foul or congested air from a picture or a room and convey the same to the atmosphere is called what? The answer is okay. A. Local vents. B. Crown vent. C. Back vent. D. Venting pipe. The answer is A. Local vent. The pipe or shaft which is used to remove foul or congested air from a fixture or a room and convey the same to the atmosphere is called local vent. 171. What is the process of water supply purification, which consists of applying certain chemicals in particles too small to be removed by plain sedimentation? A. Coagulation. B. Sedimentation. C. Filtration. D. Screening. The answer is C. Filtration. What is the process of water supply purification, which consists of applying certain chemicals in particles too small to be removed by flame sedimentation? The answer is filtration. 172. What is the type of water closet prescribed for public toilet? A. Elongated bowl type. B. Oval bowl type. C. Circular bowl type. D. Egg-shaped bowl type. The answer is A. Elongated bowl type. What is the type of water closet prescribed for public toilet? The answer is elongated bowl type. 173. What is the process of exposing water in their films to the oxygen of the atmosphere in order to neutralize the taste, odor, and dissolve oxygen? A. Filtration. B. Screening. C. Aeration. D. Sedimentation. The answer is C. Aeration. Aeration is the process of exposing water in their films to the oxygen of the atmosphere in order to neutralize the taste, odor, and dissolve oxygen. The answer is aeration. 174. What is the pipe fitting with outside thread and projecting square head used for closing the edge of another fitting? A. Plug. B. Cap. C. Nut. D. Bushing. The answer is B. Cap. Yan, ito po pag-aralan po niyo yan. No? Iba-ibang meaning yan. Cap, plug, bushing, as well as union. Yan. Kasi pakaitanong yan. Nakakalito yan eh. What is the pipe fitting with outside thread and projecting square head used for closing the edge of another fitting? The answer is cap. And the last question for this refresher session. The jelly-like substance being formed in the process of coagulation. A. Scum. B. Sludge. C. Flowy. D. Alum. The answer is flowy. Sorry kung or flow. Di ko alam yung pronunciation eh. This like substance being formed in the process of coagulation. The answer is flowy. no? Para lang ano, flowy. F-L-O-E. Yan. Okay, thank you very much. Before we end this review, and for MPLE, Master Plumber Reviewer, no? Sanitation Exam Reviewer, MPLE Reviewer, please follow this instruction, no? Subscribe to this channel, like and follow the FB account, no? And FB page, Brice EC and Brice Academy. Diyan po yung link sa baba sa description. Okay, visit our website. It's https www.brice.webtools.site and email the screenshot to brice.academy.consultancy@gmail.com. Yun, meron nung nakaraan, nag-send ako. Thank you very much, no? Kay Alvin ba yun? Alvin Janisio. Okay, for inquiries, comments, and suggestion, yan. Okay, email niyo po ako, brice.academy.consultancy@gmail.com and to that number. Okay, hopefully makatulong ito and hopefully makapasa po yung nag-review, no? Sa mga dating nag-review dito, nagpasalamat sila, nakapasa sila noong 2022, 2023, and 2024, hindi ko na alam kung yung February, walang okay lang. Hopefully makatulong. Hopefully makatulong. Good luck and have a nice day. Shout out sa mga viewers natin, live viewers. Comment naman dyan para shout out ko po yun in your name. Ito yung next session natin, no? 176 to 200, no? Yung 200 na sanitation, plumbing, design, and installation na refresher course, 76 to 200. Marami pa yan. Hindi ko lang maharap. Kaya hindi na ako nag-record ng audio. Sayang yung oras eh. Kaya nilalive ko na lang. Pasensya na po kayo sa voice ko. Okay. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in the next review session.